This could completely change the way you think about security. One single NVR can revolutionize surveillance across factories, logistics, and parking lots. Meet the ZNR-224 from ACTI, an NDAA-compliant AI Linux NVR supporting 32 channels and powerful built-in analytics. It offers superior functionality at nearly half the price of top competitors. Let's see why professionals are switching. First, let's talk power. ZNR-224 is a 32-channel rack-mount NVR with full built-in licenses, no extra fees. It supports up to 16 channels of AI video analytics in real time, making it ideal for gates in factories, docks and logistics, and parking lot entrances. You get immediate functionality out of the box, which saves money while delivering high-efficiency surveillance in dynamic environments. Next, the AI analytics. ZNR-224 detects intrusion, motion, faces, crowds, occupancy, and illegal parking. It also analyzes helmet usage, smoking, fighting, loitering, falling, and more. Metadata includes gender, age, glasses, vehicle type, color, and license plate. With capacity for 100K faces, 25K vehicles, and over 2 million snapshots, it delivers extensive monitoring, perfect for dense environments like factories and warehouses. Then, seamless integration with AI cameras. ZNR-224 reacts to face detection, intrusion, people counting, temperature, and object detection. From unauthorized access in logistics zones to abnormal activity in parking areas, it enables fast and accurate responses. The system blends NVR and camera intelligence for reliable, low-latency performance. Now let's talk smart playback and search. ZNR-224 lets you review incidents using filters for events, ROI, metadata, text, trails, and object details. This is vital for investigating factory accidents, missing inventory, or parking lot disputes. Instantly pull the footage you need, no wasted time. Finally, remote operation and audio. ZNR-224 allows remote PTZ control and two-way IP speaker communication. Whether it's confronting intruders at the gate, confirming access at the dock, or guiding staff remotely, you're always in control. It's proactive surveillance, simplified. Why pick ZNR-224 over Axis, Hikvision, or Dahua? It offers up to 50% cost savings versus Axis, yet delivers top-tier AI features. And it's NDAA compliant, safe for government and enterprise. It's the smart, secure, and cost-effective choice for system integrators and end users. If you're facing high costs or inefficient security, ZNR-224 is the answer. Click the link to explore more or connect with us for a customized solution. And be sure to subscribe for weekly updates on intelligent physical security.